Understanding direct object pronouns, a key to smooth English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we will dive deep into a very essential component of grammar, direct object pronouns. Understanding how to use these can significantly improve your English conversation skills. So, let's get started. Direct object pronouns are words that replace the direct object in a sentence. They help to avoid repetition and make sentences sound more natural. Some examples of direct object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Consider the sentence, I love chocolates. Here, chocolates is the direct object. If we want to replace it with a pronoun, the sentence becomes, I love them. When using direct object pronouns, we have to match them with the noun they are replacing. Let's look at some examples. 1. John is helping Sarah. 2. John is helping her. 2. I am meeting the students. 2. I am meeting them. 3. You have seen that movie. 2. You have seen it. Remember, the pronoun must match the gender, number, and case of the noun it's replacing. In English, direct object pronouns are usually placed before the main verb. However, when there is an auxiliary verb or a modal verb, the direct object pronoun goes between the auxiliary, modal verb and the main verb. For instance, 1. Can you pass me the salt? 2. She is teaching us English. Understanding is best achieved through practice. So, let's try a few exercises together. 1. Replace the direct object with a pronoun. We are reading the books. 2. The answer is, we are reading them. 3. Now, you try with this sentence. Sarah will call Mike and Jenny. 4. Did you get? Sarah will call them. And that's a wrap on our lesson about direct object pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect, so make sure to use these in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more lessons to keep improving your English. Goodbye for now, and happy learning.